Okay, for lesson 95, we are just working with reciprocals. A reciprocal is switching the numerator and denominator of a number. So here's a couple examples. If you have 2/3, you're just switching them or inverting them, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. And for these, you can just leave them as improper fractions. You do not have to make them into mixed numbers. If you're given a whole number, like 4, all whole numbers go over 1, so the reciprocal of 4 would just be 1/4. Again, it's just switching the numerator and denominator. And the product of any number and its reciprocal is 1. So what this means, if you have any number, so we'll just take 2/3 and multiply it by its reciprocal, which again is just inverting the numerator and denominator, you would end up with 1. And that would equal 1. So again, the product of any number and its reciprocal is 1. So if we take a whole number and we have 2 and we multiply it by its reciprocal, which is 1/2, again, all whole numbers are over 1, so multiply those and you end up with 2 over 2, which again is just equal to 1. Something I might ask you on your assignment would be, how many halves are in 1? Well, we just did one similar to that, right? So how many halves are equal to 1? Well, again, multiply any number times its reciprocal, and it's going to equal 1. So there your answer would just be 2. The next one, how many 2/5 are in 1? So if we have 2/5 and we're trying to equal it to 1, again, just multiply by its reciprocal. So 5/2, your answer for that one would be 5/2. And your assignment is the reteach page for lesson 95.